Alright, so you landed in Seoul. You're gonna go down a flight of stairs and down this weird tunnel. And you're gonna look for these signs that say Airport Railroad All Stop. This is the subway train that will take you to Seoul. Don't let the name, it's a lost in translation thing. You're gonna see this currency exchange and you're gonna wanna go here. This is a international currency exchange and you can use these ATMs to take out cash. You're going to need cash to buy your Team Money card, excuse me, or a subway ticket. Also back here they have like this little cute area where you can take your just landed in Korea pictures, and they also have a convenience store here. So if you want to grab some drinks real quick before the hour train ride to Seoul, that's where you need to go. Alright, so you just got out, you just arrived in this area. Now we're gonna go to the train station with our cash. You're going to need cash. I don't know how many times I have to say this. You're gonna need cash. So please stop at this ATM and get you some cash. Now let's walk over to the train station. Yes, they have a Burger King. They have a lot of foreigner friendly things in this part of the airport, and you're going to be amazed at how easy it is, and everything has an English translation or Japanese. They have charging stations everywhere, seatings everywhere. They even had a Marvel pop-up store here, so a little bit of everything. I just love how beautiful this airport looks. Alright, so you made it here. All stop train. Yes, lost in translation. It's alright. You'll get used to it. So you get here to the train station and you're gonna walk right past all these people to these vending machines that say T-Money. Your T-Money card is your transportation card. Basically, you buy it here, you put money on it, and then when you beep in and out of the train station, it'll calculate how much it'll charge you. Sometimes they have cute ones, sometimes they have the plain T-Money card. Get one, it's one per person. You're gonna take your brand new T-Money card and you're gonna take it next door to these little machines right here. You're gonna place your T-Money card down on that red plate that says T-Money. You're gonna click English and you're going to recharge the card. This card is good for almost all of Seoul, so if you're going to be in Seoul and you're traveling in Seoul and taking the train all the time, you're going to need one of these regardless. Trust me, it's better this way. If you don't want a T-Money card and you want to buy a ticket, well, you're also going to need cash. And you're going to have to figure out that train system. Sorry, I don't know. Get yourself a T-Money card. Don't try and figure that out. Unless you know Korean, then you can go ahead and challenge yourself. I did take this video on the day that we were flying to Japan. So this is the domestic side of the airport, which I honestly didn't know. From Korea to Japan apparently isn't international. It's domestic. But look at this airport. It looks like a giant mall, like a futuristic mall. And honestly, it might as well be because there's so many stores. Look how beautiful this is. Love it. So, as you can tell, we're on our way to Japan. This is the little airstrip. Look at the mountains in the foreground. Beautiful. So we landed in Osaka Kansai, and we got the Hello Kitty train. Isn't that cute? Anyone that's going to Japan, I highly recommend the JR Pass. It is worth it. You can get free reserved seating. So all you have to do is go to the JR booth and ask for a seat, and it's completely free. Look at this. Look at this insanity. This is Japan in a picture. They have a picture of what the toilets look like. So if you don't know Japanese, they got you. They got pictures everywhere. Oh, this is Kyoto Station. I love Kyoto Station. It's so beautiful. Now, the rest are just pictures that I thought would be funny to share. Yeah, we saw this car in Korea. Look at this tiny little car in Korea. It was too hot to buy one of these ice creams because let me tell you, it was gonna melt and it was gonna get all over my outfit. The cutest coaster I got at a bar. And last but not least, the cutest coffee we got at the airport. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.